everybody, good morning and welcome back to my channel guys. I hope you all are doing absolutely fantastic. To be very honest, मेरी ये दिन की शुरुआत बिल्कुल भी अच्छी नहीं रही because I really got up late and the reason was Kittu. Kittu is not actually keeping well. She got loose motions and she is vomiting a lot. I am going to take her to the doctor today. So अभी जस्ट उठी हूँ. मैंने गर्म पानी पी लिया था एक गिलास, जो कि मैं ब्लॉग करना भूल गई बिकॉज बहुत हड़बड़ी में ये मॉर्निंग उठी हूँ ना. सो अभी मैं डायरेक्टली फ़र्स्ट मील से ही स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ. सो आई एम गोइंग टू हैव माई फर्स्ट मील. सो ये है इलायची केला जो मैं खाने वाली हूँ. ये बहुत छोटू सा है इसलिए मैं 2 खाने वाली हूँ बिकॉज मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लग रही है. बहुत छोटू से है. सो ये 2 खा लूँगी और फिर आगे बढ़ूँगी. आई डोंट नो, आज सैटरडे है. So I'm not working today, but my day will be busy in traveling क्योंकि किट्टू को लेके जाना है उसके वेट के पास. जो वेट है उसका बैंड्रा में है. So let's see because I can't see her like this at all. I guess वो मेरी ही गलती थी. मैंने उसको दूसरा खाना खिला दिया था जो ओरियो का खाना था वो, बट इसलिए उसको वो डाइजेस्ट नहीं हो रहा and she's having a lot of loose motions. But I'll take her now. I'll take her today. First I'll start my day with this first meal and then I'll keep you updated about it. So guys, this is time for my lunch. Actually मैंने breakfast में कुछ नहीं खाया. I had the 2 इलायची केलास and my first meal. So directly मैंने अभी lunch ले लिया because it is really late. और किट्टू को लेके जैसे कि मुझे डॉक्टर के पास भी जाना है, so वो भी है. So I will leave in a while once I'm done with my lunch. और I don't know, actually she is not able to walk properly, इसलिए मुझे और थोड़ा ज़्यादा stress आ गया है, इसलिए मैं लेके जा रही हूँ. नहीं तो उसके लूज मोशंस की दवाई तो घर पे है ही, बट शी इज़ नॉट एबल टू वॉक विच इज़ अ मेजर थिंग, इसलिए जाना पड़ेगा. सो आई क्विकली शो यू व्हाट आई गॉट ऑन माई लंच टुडे. सो योर इज़ माई प्लेट. आई हैव टेकन चिकन. दिस इज़ चिकन ब्रेस्ट. और फिर मैंने लिया है कुकुम्बर और कैरेट, ग्रेटेड कैरेट लिया है. और 2 चपाती ली है छोटी छोटी सी, इसलिए 2 ले ली है मैंने. ये चिकन ब्रेस्ट की ग्रेवी बनाई है मम्मी ने. ज़्यादा तेल वेल नहीं है, वो जो नीचे दिख रहा है वो सिर्फ पानी है. सो आई एम गोइंग टू हैव दिस. So I'll quickly complete my lunch and then get back to you at my next meal, and I'll keep you posted about Kittu's health as well. So guys, अभी हम बेड के पास आ गए किट्टू को लेके. लुक एट हर हाउ शी क्यूटली सिटिंग. बट द प्रॉब्लम इज़ कि अब तक डॉक्टर आए नहीं. सो वी आर जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर द डॉक्टर एंड once she is here I'll like hand over Kittu to her for all that treatment and checking and everything, and then I'll get back to you once it has been done. Kittu, Kittu, Mittu. Yeah.
But you sent a picture of me that man.
But that wasn't bad that time, but later, like late night, around 5-6, she is doing.
But baby,
So and then now she's not able to walk. I think her bum is paining because of it. She's not walking. She was paralyzed like 1.5 years ago, like 1.5 years. No, she's not walking.
put her down now. Let me see when you are walking. is fine, ma'am. You carry her from Virat by train or by rickshaw or what?
I came to Kandivali, I picked her up and then I came by rickshaw.
How much is the rickshaw for?
400.
That's my Uber fare. Come on, baby.
So that is what she makes me a lot. She never had it. And when she was in peak at that time also she used to live
She's
like
in the
this.
law.
No, she's not yet.
Why not?
Because that uncle officer take to like let one more people and then
So we shouldn't keep her there.
no she's not.
How do you know?
Because just now she completed one.
So,
Like
it can happen every week also.
every
Oh, you found that one. They're coming to seasonally. They can come to me today and
I want to neuter her. If I neuter her here,
Yes.
do I have to come?
She's in heat, yeah.
No, she's not. It's her 40 that she did.
She's also in heat,
But she doesn't go like this.
yet. Give it a few days. Every heat is not that loud. It's not like that. It's not once a month. I'm selling this with my One of my cats is she's on my window, so she comes on the bed. Ginger and white. Yes.
Injection.
ये मैम को प्लीज बाहर ले लो यार वापस विराट मेरे हम उसी में करा देते हैं बाहर को बैठ के डॉक्टर शी फाइन 1 2 3 आयरन है यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं हो रहा
बसा.
वृत्ती कशाला काय नाही होत
काही नाही तू फ्रिज में ऑक्स है तो ऑक्स पैन ऑन लेवल
अभी इसको neuter किया है यहाँ पे. So what every day for the stitches और
नो इट्स नॉट there's a doctor
last time when I came for that vaccination, last month. You called me, you said.
7.5 years now. And 2,600 for the bloods.
No, blood test is done. That day only she
Oh, very good.
so she said she is going to go with her office. किती थांब असं गप्पी बसत सगळी
उल्टी
बसत
नहीं किया
when I actually gave her that golden वाला medicine now she removed that. I know, but I am very itchy. So
I can see that. For her in general, especially.
Is there any way that we can strengthen her thing like because she wins a lot? Otherwise, what is it? Not because of this.
Acupuncture. Kandivali. I have not been to proper country.
No, she is recording because of her.
Something expired.
None of those? I thought they were going to give her injection. That's why I was worried. चलो झालं.
झालं चलो घरी जायचं शोनू घरी जायचं चिटू चला ओरिओकडे जायचं ओरिओ
ओरिओ आला ओरिओ. चलो ओरिओ.
ती बघ ओरिओ आली ओरिओ
Thinking about you. the next day.
Hi guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. So guys, this is the next day that I am started vlogging. कल ज़्यादा कुछ vlog नहीं कर पाई थी because of Kittu was not well, और फिर जब मैं घर पे आई तो बहुत ज़्यादा लेट हो गया था, और फिर मैंने खाने अभी बाहर ही खा लिया था जो मैंने vlog नहीं कर पाई थी. So now today I am going to merge this vlog again. So day number 3 I guess. So day number 4 and 5 आपको कल मिलेगा एक साथ. So I'm going to vlog this day. So I'm going to start my day with lukewarm water. So I'll quickly show you. Here is my lukewarm water that I'm going to have, and after this I will actually directly start my lunch because it is really late that I got up today. And it is perfectly okay that we are not on the track because it's a journey of weight loss. It will be never be perfect. So ये perfect नहीं होने वाला रोज़ वैसे ही time to time. It will take some time to get adjusted, and also it will have some ups and downs. So I had ups and downs from the last 1 or 2 weeks, but it is okay. I'm going to go back on track very soon. So I will start my day as usual. I'm going to start this by lukewarm water and then see you later. So guys, now it is lunch time. I'm directly hopping on to my lunch because I'm really not hungry, और अभी बहुत लेट भी हो चुका है, इसलिए मैं अभी लंच कर रही हूँ. So आइए देखिए क्या. I have taken rice. यहाँ पे मैंने लिया है करी जो प्रॉन्स की है, और ये प्रॉन्स फ्राई है. So यही खाने वाली हूँ मैं. So I'll quickly complete this and get back to you at my next meal. And I'm really sorry that if I'm sounding low or I am sounding low on energy and upset, it is just because I'm not in the mood at all, and I'm just worried about Kittu. And also I got up late, so it was really tiring day for me. So I'll see you later once I eat something. I'm not going to talk much or vlog much. I'll quickly just show you what I eat. That's it. So I hope you people understand this, and I'll see you later.